I just want to show you our newest release. So it is the text editor. So you simply build up your banner as usual, but then when you add text, click as you do in text, go in and double tap here, and you can see our toolbox appearing with making font bold, italic, underlined, or change the color of specific like letters or the background behind. You will go in and say this is a cool headline. I'm very creative. Then mark cool here. You can go in and click bold, underline. You can change the color as well if you want. And then you now have a super cool text element that of course you can go in and duplicate. So you have two. You can also go in, I'll just delete this one again. You can also go in and remove the settings simply by clicking on the T here. Or you can go in and change the whole element as well, of course. And if you want this to stand out a bit more. So this is actually how you're going to use the new text editor